The scientific notation converter transforms numbers between scientific notation, engineering notation, and decimal form instantly. For the input field, you'll see Enter Number, where you can type any value like 42,500 or 0.000123. For this demonstration, I'm entering the number 10. Click Calculate to see your results. Let's examine what each output means using our test value of 10. The scientific notation shows 1.00 times 10 to the power of 1. This is the standard form used in physics and chemistry, where we normalize to one digit before the decimal. The engineering notation displays 10.000 times 10 to the power of 0. Engineering notation differs by using exponents that are multiples of 3, making it easier to work with metric prefixes like kilo, mega, and milli. The decimal form simply shows 10, which is the standard numerical representation we use every day. This converter eliminates manual calculation errors and saves time when working with very large or very small values in technical documentation and calculations. Find the link in the description below.